Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the filter assembly on your machine. Here is how you do it. So we've got two 10mm bolts right here that we're going to have to take off. Plus you have an inside tube on this side that you got to take off and an outside tube on this side that you got to take off. So take your socket. Now we're going to remove the hoses. Just like that, and that releases the whole bracket and filter assembly from the machine. We need to remove the solution filter from the bracket. Easiest way to do this is take off the filter bowl and the filter. So we got to take off the two Phillips head screws that are nutted on the back side as well, and those are 8mm nuts. Loosen that guy up. Okay, now that we have the solution filter removed from the bracket, we're going to remove each side of these brass fittings. Just like that. So what I do want to point out on your brass fittings, if you need to, go ahead and get some Teflon tape and wrap it around your fitting to help alleviate any leaks. So on your filter assembly, your new filter assembly, it can only be installed one way, and there is an arrow on the assembly that shows you which way to install it. Now, the arrow has to be pointing to the outlet side. So to install, just reverse your steps. Go ahead and put your brass fittings back on your new filter assembly. Now what we need to do is we need to reinstall it on the bracket. Okay, so now that we have the assembly attached back to the bracket, what we're going to do is we're going to reattach the inlet and outlet hoses. Makes it a little bit easier. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to reattach it to the machine with your 10mm bolts. Okay, the last and final step is go ahead and put your filter back on the assembly and screw in your filter bowl. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.